Hello, everybody. I'm Nancy Mazo at Notably Nancy YouTube channel, back for this week's video, which really is about navigating the VIPKid platform. And today we'll be speaking about a little known place where you can respond to parent feedback that you're getting. And I want to make sure that you're aware of this. If you're new to my channel, welcome, please subscribe. If you're a returning member of our community, thank you. I really appreciate your support. Okay, before we get started, you might be wondering, Nancy, you've been making videos weekly, sharing all your information with us and tips and tricks, and why are you doing this? What's the catch? Okay, I want you to think about this. Number one, I don't have a catch, but I do lead my life with a guiding principle that I learned from Rabbi Menachem Mendel Schneerson of blessed memory, but it's really a great concept for everyone, as a teacher, as a mentor, just as a person in your life. And I'm going to illustrate this, and I want you to think about this. Okay, if I share something with you and you learn it, that helps you. It helps spread light in the world. It doesn't take away from me. It's passing it forward, spreading light. And that's why I make all these videos, and I'm wanting to share this information with you. I've been teaching since 1980, so I've had extensive classroom experience in the brick and mortar school, and also going on 4 years of teaching at VIPKid online. And I feel like if I've learned things, I want to share it with you, because I want you to be able to be the best teacher that you can be. Okay, and now I want to illustrate this, okay, especially at this holiday season coming up. Okay, here's my candle. You see the light, okay? If I teach you something and it brings you light, okay, it brought you light. Did it take away my light? No, not at all. It's sharing and spreading light, and that's a guiding principle in my life, and that's why I'm sharing this. I want to help you. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, at this holiday season coming up, in a very uncertain world, I want to say happy holidays and wish you all a life of light, warmth, and health. Okay, back to the video. Now I'm going to share my screen and show you what I'm talking about. And then I'll also talk about, while I'm sharing, why this is so important for you in your teaching career and you being able to maintain your regular students. Okay, here we go. Here I am, and what I need to do to find this feature is I go to class. Okay, I have bookings, classroom, and feedback. I'm clicking feedback. Okay, and here is my parent feedback. Now, what I did not know for quite some time is that when a parent leaves me feedback, I have an opportunity to respond. Okay, I see that I don't have a new one to do because I like to keep up with this. But if this were new, like Chris's parent left me a 5-apple feedback, and they also left me like really nice tags, and I appreciate it. So let's see, what did she say? She said, children like teachers very much. Teachers are good at guiding. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to respond. Okay, and where I do this is right here. I can say respond, and what I usually say is something like this. I say, dear parent, Thank you for your kind 5-apple review. I really appreciate that you took your time to leave feedback for this class. I enjoy teaching Chris very much and look forward to our next class together. Sincerely, Teacher Nancy YZW. Now, I have signed my 7th contract. I notice that my feedback levels are going up, and I really feel like I want to acknowledge that the parent took their time to respond. Okay, now the thing is, and then you type it into this box, and if I were doing it now, if I hadn't done it already, there's a little button down here that would say submit, and I submit it. The other thing that you need to know about this is you have 7 days to respond. Okay, so if you don't respond to the parent in 7 days, that opportunity, that option goes away. So really think about that, because why is that important? Because I think when parents see that you're responding to them and you appreciate their Apple reviews, it helps you to build a solid student base. Okay, now I'm going back out of the, okay, stop share. So that's my little tip and tidbit for today about the opportunity to be able to respond to the positive parent feedback you get. And what I would like to do and hope to do, and am committing, I'm telling you about doing it so that I really do it and am committed to my action plan. If you are interested, if you are a new teacher, or you're a veteran teacher that you just want to make sure you're aware, I want to do a series or mini series on all the features of the VIPKid platform to make sure that you're taking advantage of them. So if you are interested in a feature like that, a video series like that, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks a lot. Have a great week, and check out my videos up here to continue your professional in-service education at Notably Nancy's Resource Room. See you again next week. Happy teaching. Stay safe, stay positive, stay strong. Bye.